How to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Maps on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down in here and click on Settings. After you click on Settings, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down in Settings till you find Navigation and click on Navigation. After that, in here, make sure Mute State is unmuted. After you've done that, make sure your guidance volume is as you want, as there are three options: softer, normal, or louder. Select the one you prefer and you're good to go. This is how to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.